In this video, we're thrilled to showcase the new Tagbar command, a feature designed to elevate your AddoBAR experience. Let's dive in and explore how it works. Let's begin by selecting the Tagbar command from the toolbar ribbon. Upon accessing the Tagbar command, you'll notice several options available for adding tags, including mark, density, cover, shape, size, postscript, and custom, along with settings. We'll delve into the custom and settings options shortly. Now let us tag a bar with its mark. When choosing mark, you are asked to select the reinforcement you want to mark. Let us pick a reinforcement we want to tag. Now it asks us to pick a leader start point. This can be anywhere in your drawing as required, and it will still link to the chosen reinforcement. Once you select the start point for your tag, you can continue adding additional points to define the precise path of your tag's leader line. When you're satisfied with the placement, simply press Escape. This will finalize the tag, and the text will be positioned at the last point you picked, completing the tagging process. Now, let's explore the settings available in the Tagbar feature. To do this, we'll activate the Tagbar function and then select Settings. In the Settings section, you have the flexibility to design a custom tag to suit your needs. To construct your tag, simply check the boxes for the elements you wish to include. Additionally, you have the option to enter text directly into the custom tag box, which will incorporate your specific text into the tag. Within the settings, you'll find a display option for your tags. This is the text-only feature, which allows for greater flexibility by enabling you to create tags composed exclusively of text. Now, let's craft our own custom tag. First, ensure that the custom tag box is cleared. We'll design a tag that showcases both the bar's mark and its shape. To add clarity, we'll also include some descriptive text. In front of the shape information, simply type in shape to make it more informative. Now that we've successfully created our custom tag, make sure to click Save to store it. After saving, you can select Custom to apply this custom tag to your drawing. A key feature of Tagbar is the ability to have multiple tags in the drawing, all referencing a single bar. This allows for greater flexibility and detail in how you present and organize your reinforcement data. Now it's time to apply our custom tag to our drawing. To do this, activate the Tagbar function and select Custom. Then, choose the start point for your tag. After setting the start point, go ahead and select the points for the leader line. Once you're satisfied with the placement of the leader line, press Escape to finalize and add the text to your drawing. An important feature to note is that the Tagbar function remembers the last tag configuration you used. This is especially useful when you have multiple bars to tag, as it allows for quick and consistent tagging across your drawing. Next, I'll show you how any modifications to your bar properties are seamlessly updated in the tag. Let's change the mark and shape code of our bar as an example. Once these properties are adjusted, the tag will automatically reflect these new details. To view these updates in your drawing, you just need to use the CAD function REGEN. Executing this command regenerates the drawing, ensuring that the tag displays the most current information. It's important to remember that if you don't use the REGEN command after modifying bar properties, the tag will continue to display the old information. Regenerating the drawing is a crucial step to ensure that your tags always reflect the most up-to-date details of your bars. I'd like to demonstrate how you can efficiently update multiple rebars at once. First, open your schedule and select all the bars you wish to renumber. Right-click and choose Renumber. Enter a new starting mark for the bars and click OK. After you've made these changes, use the REGEN command to update your drawing. As you can observe, all the tags have been updated to reflect the new numbering. This showcases the dynamic and efficient nature of our Tagbar system when handling bulk updates. Another key feature of our tagging system to highlight is its intelligent handling when you copy bars. If you copy a bar along with its tag, the system automatically creates a new link for the tag associated with the copied bar. This means that when you make any subsequent changes to the mark of this new bar copy, the tag will update accordingly, maintaining a correct and unique link to this new bar. This functionality ensures that even as you replicate bars in your drawing, each tag remains accurately linked to its respective bar, streamlining the detailing process and maintaining the integrity of your project's data. In addition to the smart linking of tags with copied bars, it's important to note that when you copy just the tags without the bars, they continue to remain linked to the original bars. This ensures that any information updates on the original bar will still be reflected in the copied tags. However, there is a crucial point to remember when deleting bars. If you remove a bar from your drawing, the associated tag does not automatically disappear. It will still show as linked to the now non-existent bar. Therefore, it's necessary to manually delete these tags to keep your drawing accurate and free of redundant data. This step is vital for maintaining the integrity and clarity of your project's detailing. Thank you for choosing AddoSoft. We're dedicated to enhancing your CAD experience and value your trust in our solutions. Have a great day.